Hello everybody, I'm Ming. Today I'm very happy because I will be start level 2. See you at AHA Corporation at 6 p.m. Now I will guide you one more time. S sound. S sound. The first. Pen. Pen. It's your pen. No, it's my pen. Happy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Busy. I've been busy now. Boy. His boy. Mr. Pro. His boy. Time. What is time? What time is? 20, 22. I have 22 books. I have 20 books. Dog. He's my dog. He's my dog. Need. I need a car. Check. I really check my email. Question. Have me answer the question. Measure. What did you measure in? James. Who is James? Cook. I like cooking milk. I like cooking milk. Book. It's fantastic book. Game. I didn't play very well in the basketball game. Big. My big toes very big. My big toes are very big. Thank you for watching my video. See you again.